Hey guys, it's been a while since I put this car together and took this video, but I didn't want to post anything until I was sure that it was finally fixed. It's been a couple full tanks of gas now. Transmission's working great. It about 2,500 RPMs, 2,700 RPMs at 80 miles an hour. It used to be about 3,000 RPMs, so it's definitely shifting into lockup like it should. So what did I learn here? I had to do that Transgo pressure regulator to prevent that torque converter seal from blowing out again, to get this code to stop coming back. So if you have the P0741 code on your E39 530i, I would first do the Transgo pressure regulator before replacing your torque converter. Now this other thing I learned taking this transmission in and out twice, it actually went really fast this second time, but if I would have jacked the car up a little higher, it would have been easier to get the transmission, get a jack under the transmission. As you can see here, I struggled a little bit to get the jack under it. I mean, maybe if it's a little stronger too. It's just so awkward to try and lift that thing up when you're underneath there, but I recommend doing the Transgo pressure regulator along with a rebuilt torque converter. It wasn't too expensive. I think I'm into it for less than 500 bucks. And you know, with what I learned, you could do it once and not have to do it twice like I did. So there we go. You can watch me raise this transmission up, and stay tuned for more videos in the future.